Instruction left, and we have to do derivatives and integrals on this thing. I'm not going to push this real hard. So what I suggest is you just plot some basic points. I don't even want to do that. Put in 0 for theta. What do you get?
1? No.
Cosine of 0 is 1. So r times 1 is r. You're going to get r equals 4, correct?
Radius
So,
of 4.
At 0, we're 4 away from the origin.
4 from the origin.
Like that. I guess I'll make a little one.
Thanks.
All right. Let's put in pi for theta. Cosine of pi is -1. So we're going to have 4 equals negative r, which means positive r equals -4. So pi is over here, -4 flips us back around. It's the same point, isn't it? So just going from 0 to pi took us around back to the same point. All right, let's do something in between. Let's do pi over 3. What's cosine of pi over 3? 1/2. So you're going to have 4 equals r times 1/2. Multiply by 2 and r is going to equal 8. So at pi over 3, 60 degrees, we're going to be 8 away from the origin. Let's see, there's 4, that's 4, double that. 4 would be about there, double that, we're going to be out here somewhere, huh? Just get a couple points and look at the multiple choice here and figure it out. You can actually figure it out from the first point. We got 0, 4, this point out here. I'm trying to do this without making an extensive table to save you some time. Well, is that first point actually 4? Yeah, 0, 4, is that on this one?
No.
No. It is on this one, right?
Yeah.
Is it on this one?
No.
Is it on that one?
No.
It's got to be B. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Similar question. Okay, if we put in 0 for theta, what do we have here?
0.
Cosine of 0 is
1.
1 times 10 is r equals 10. Is that on A?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's a chance. B?
No.
C?
No.
D?
No.
Has to be A. That's all you gotta do, okay? Just get a feel for these.
Awesome.
The other, if we wanted to do this thoroughly, we would need to make, well, that's a circle, we could figure that out, but we would need to make a table, okay? So, let's look at this one, similar question. Let's say theta is 0, what's this gonna work out to? -3, because cosine of 0 is 1. 3 minus 6 times 1 would be -3. Yeah? 0, -3, that's over here, right? So A has a chance. Does B have a chance?
No.
No, 0, -3, that's not here. When I say 0, -3, I'm speaking in polar. Does C have a chance?
Yeah.
Yes. Does D have a chance? Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Right there, right?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna have to find some other points. We had A, C, and D. All right, let's do pi. Cosine of pi is -1, so that's going to be -1 times -6 is +6, plus 3 is 9. So pi 9. Is that on there?
It's D. Nope.
Pi takes us over here, 9 is going to take us out here.
Nope. Yeah.
Not on there, is it?
It's 180 degrees.
A's out, B's out. Is C a chance?
No.
No. It's got to be D, right?
Yeah.
Pi 9.
Nice work.
You okay with that? So normally we would make a more extensive table and we would categorize these graphs. Whenever it's something plus cosine, it looks like this. Whenever it's something plus or minus sine, it looks like this. We would categorize them, but we'll just,
Plot some points. Test
we
points.
got to move on. We don't have time for that. One more. Let's look at this one. This one's a little bit trickier. For sine, whatever that number is in there, well, let's look at it on decimals. Oh, this was decimals. Sine 3 theta. So I gotta put R in there. There you go, you got 3 petals. If you put a 4 in there, you get 8 petals. So with sine, if the coefficient of theta is odd, that is the number of petals. If the coefficient of theta is even, it's twice that many petals. Okay? If I put 5 in there, you got 5 petals. If I put 10 in there, you got 20 petals. Got it? So which ones does that limit us to here? C and D. All right, let's check a point. Let's put in 0 for theta. What is sine of 3 times 0? 0. Sine 3 times 0 is 0. Sine of 0 is 0, correct? And -6 times 0 is 0. That would not be, well, C's got something there, but notice there's a point out there. 0, 6. Likely D, wouldn't you think? Yeah?
0, -6? No.
0, 0, there's a point at the origin here.
Oh, 0, 0.
See here, when we put in 0 for theta, 3 times 0 is 0, sine of 0 is 0, R is 0. So when our angle is 0, the distance from the origin is 0. Does that agree here? Now, I'm going to caution you. That does not necessarily guarantee this is correct. Because we could be hitting this 6 at some other value of theta. Okay?
That one's not at 0? C's not at 0? And
C, you got 0, 6.
Oh, you're
See
right,
that?
you're right.
But there could be some other value like pi, and then it becomes negative and it flips you out here. So you gotta be careful with that. But let's check it. There you go. Nice work. Okay? So check these simple like that. Yes?
Is there, I guess like a trick or a fast way to tell how many petals it might make?
Yes. When it's sine and the coefficient in front of theta is odd, it's that many. If that coefficient was even, it's twice that many. Okay? Now cosine is different. It makes a similar graph, but watch. cosine 4 theta. I thought it changed. Oh, they're the same. I thought we did this on Friday and cosine it was.